Welcome to the Get Us Simple. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of how you can use Invideo to create a stunning video content with few prompts. Step 1. Visit Invideo. You can find the link to the official website in the description below. Click on it, and you'll be visited to the official Invideo website. Invideo offer a free plan also. No credit or debit card required. You are signing up with free plan. No need to worry. Step 2. Once you're on the Invideo homepage, look for the Sign Up button. Click on it. Invideo offers you multiple ways to sign up. You can use your Google account, Apple ID, or sign up with your email. Let's explore each option. In my case, I am using Google account. As per your choice, you can choose anything. Congratulations! You're now part of the Invideo community. Now we will create a video with Invideo.
Have you ever pondered the impact of coffee on weight loss? It's a common query, and today we're going to delve deep into this intriguing subject. First off, let's talk about coffee. This beloved beverage savored around the globe is more than just a morning pick-me-up. Coffee contains a powerhouse compound called caffeine. Caffeine, a natural stimulant, not only boosts your mood and brain function, but also ramps up metabolism. A faster metabolism can aid in burning more calories, even while at rest, leading to weight loss. Moreover, coffee is known to suppress appetite, helping to control those pesky cravings. A cup of black coffee with its minimal calories can be a great addition to a calorie-controlled diet. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows in the world of coffee. The benefits of coffee can be overshadowed by its potential drawbacks. High consumption of caffeine can lead to insomnia, nervousness, and an increased heart rate. It's also worth noting that while black coffee is low in calories, adding sugar, cream, or flavored syrups can turn it into a calorie bomb. Next, let's move on to exercise. Exercise, whether it's a brisk walk, a rigorous gym session, or a calming yoga class, is a tried and true method for weight loss. It burns calories, boosts metabolism, and helps build lean muscle, which in turn burns even more calories. Exercise also has a positive impact on overall health. It can lower the risk of heart disease, improve mental health, and enhance sleep quality. On the flip side, exercise comes with its own set of challenges. It requires time, dedication, and consistency. Not everyone can fit a regular workout routine into their busy schedules. Overexertion can also lead to injuries, and without proper guidance, one might not achieve the desired results. So coffee or exercise, both can contribute to weight loss, but they come with their own set of benefits and drawbacks. Coffee, with its metabolism-boosting caffeine, can aid in weight loss, but high consumption can lead to health issues. Exercise, on the other hand, not only aids in weight loss, but also improves overall health, although it does require time and dedication. In a nutshell, it's all about balance. A moderate intake of coffee can complement a regular exercise routine. But remember, there's no magic bullet for weight loss. It's a journey that involves a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset. So enjoy that cup of coffee, lace up those running shoes, and embark on your personal journey towards a healthier you.